This one's gonna be a quickie, and I have created a thumbnail generation system, and I'll show you right now how I got it working. This will be the thumbnail of this video, and it'll be the output I'm going to show you how to get. I actually over-engineered this, but you're gonna have to excuse me on that one. First of all, you need to head over to your subscriptions and see what the people in your niche are creating. So I looked over some AI guys, like then Keith here, yeah, then who was it? Let's see, AI Video School, Curious Refuge, Matthew Berman, okay, AI Video School, then the creator, he's a YouTube guy, but Creative Pad Media, AI Search, it was a very templatized thumbnail that I didn't think I could use, AI Foundation, I'm not really sure which of these I ended up using, but I'm gonna show you what I created with it, so you'll understand me. First of all, I categorized them into groups. Like this one was clearly a certain type of feeling in a thumbnail, like it is split in the middle. There is something to showcase in the left side, which is the output you might expect from the video, and on the right side it's the face of the creator. This also I have seen with like generated characters, like not necessarily always the creator, but it could be left side something and right side being the creator face. This was one category I made. I called it split composition. I wanted to Google AI Studio, which is Gemini 2.5 Pro, name this thumbnail style. It's named it as the brand split creator topic justification. It doesn't matter what it calls. I just wanted AI to know about this sort of categorization I want to have, and it did a breakdown for me, which was cool of it. Then I did the before and after. You can see you can see easily. But there was also these ones that didn't really fit before and after that easily. Like it's like this one is not a before and after, but it's putting this image in a scene. Well, you might think that this one is before and this one is after, and that was what I was going for, but it doesn't feature that split right down in the middle, so I wanted AI to learn that as well. As with this one, this wasn't a split right between right in the middle of the thumbnail, so it's a different thing to know. Yeah, so I called it transformation because it's a before and after. It called it comparative transformation, before after showcase, yeah, same thing. Then I did gave these two, which are just the thumbnails that demonstrate a lot of outputs. Called it the showcase. It called it the grid showcase, comparative grid. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Then I gave these kind of thumbnails for Get Vio, for Get Sora, sorry Google, which image video. I called it commentary because it's a commentary on VEO3 being obsolete now, and another generator is good. It called it bold statement, provocative headline. I think the AI's idea is better here. Then I gave this thumbnail too, but I don't think this fits well in the category, but I didn't have anywhere else to put it, and I wanted it to be featured. Then I gave a lot of these guys. I'm sorry that I don't remember his name, but his thumbnails were good, and I tried to copy his style a bit here. Then I did write these as well. These basically feature a person in a backdrop is black or dark, and the person is pointing towards something, or the person is talking about something, or the person is interested about something, and clearly there are some other stuff going on about, like there are some models here, there are some other models here, text models, image models, video models, and this one is about Nanobanana. You can see those things, and there is good text that is also that sticks out from the rest of the thumbnail. I wanted to this kind of thumbnail to be a thing I can use, and I called it just Tech Educational AI thumbnail style. It gave the name presenter UI showcase more than tech explainer. I was like, okay. Then I gave this big prompt, like based on thumbnail styles, argue which style best works for my next video, which I told about here, and this is this video. And I told it to act like a YouTube thumbnail expert, and a lot of things. Like there was a bit of back and forth in this prompt, and I can drop this down below if you need it, and I'm sure this works well for the duration. If I need to add something else and maybe remove something, I might do that before I send this one with you. Then I gave the today's video idea. It created me an argument like here's why this works, and it thinks the last category, this category, works best for the thing I'm going for. And I read it. It's actually a good compelling argument. Like it compared the other stuff, and it would be too cluttered. No, it excels at establishing user knowledge guide. It's puts a human face to the video and stuff like that. So it was a good argument, and I was like, okay, sure, let's go for it. And it also gave me a better title. This thumbnail was made by AI. I think I will use it. You'll see it before you click it. And I probably will put in parentheses for free because I was able to generate all of the imagery that I needed in Nanobanana. So that means this can be done for free in Google AI Studio. In the chat window, if you click here and select your model as Nanobanana, you can do everything I will show you in this chat window alone, or you can just go to Gemini and close that off and click the tools and click image gen, and then you can do it the same thing here. It's Turkish for me because I live in Turkey. If you use AI Studio, I think the Nanobanana is fully free to use here. In Gemini, you might need the pro version, or you might not. You might have a lot of free trials in the Gemini version as well too. And then it gave me an image description, and I like this image description stuff, and I made this massive headline and this and that. Okay, yeah, that's good. Let's try it. So I'm using FreePic to create these images because it allows me to create 4 images at a time, and I click generate twice and then get 8 images at one time. When you are trying to replicate what I'm doing here, if you use AI Studio or Gemini, you will see that you can only create 1 image at a time, and you will have to wait before that image creates and generates, and that was a bottleneck for me. It sucked to wait, and I just needed to use some place like this where I can access a lot more models actually. So it's multifunctional in that regard for me. It pays to have a subscription like this, and if you're considering, I would just suggest FreePic because it features a lot of the image generation models, and at a certain point the image generation model becomes free to use. It doesn't cost tokens. So let's get back to the topic. I did the presentation UI showcase, like I called it Tech Educational UI, and so the images here I also added as reference to the Nanobanana model, and I have given these images as references. Then I pasted the image description the model suggested me. I got these for these 8 images. Like you can see, these are not me, but they are in the style I want and clearly doing well. Considering Nanobanana is free to use. And if you were to do this in the AI Studio window, you would select the Nanobanana first, then you would simply upload your images here, just as I have uploaded my images in the image references tab. Then paste your stuff in the prompt and click create to see if the output works for you. Based off these 8 outputs, I was looking over them. I just like this one, and I wanted to continue with this. And I didn't want the ideas, styles, text to appear because when the video is small, you don't really see or read the text. This ideas text is great to read now, but when it's small like this, it's rather hard to read. So I didn't want to have that small text. So I just went with this, but I also didn't like this grid, so I'll show you how I got rid of it as well. Then I needed to, okay, so the image is there, but it's the guy I have used in the reference, as it's not me, so I can't use it. So then I did another prompt, like this one in the Nanobanana. Yeah, you can see that I tried to create the same thing with Nanobanana, but instead this time the person's face should be me. So I just said image 1, but replaced the person with the man in image 2 instead. Image 2 is me, as you can see. I took this picture a few minutes before the video. Same coloring, highlight, and light condition applied from the source to the image to make sure. Okay. I wrote this down because it sometimes just pastes you in the image, but doesn't really give that highlight and hue back to you, and back. It doesn't apply that lighting conditions to you. and that doesn't really work. So I tried it in Nanobanana first year. It just made me bald. I was I wasn't having it. Like it doesn't understand that I have short hair. I'm not bald. So I tried Seedream for 4K, which is the Chinese model, and I'm sure it's easy to find and use as free in the web. And if you Google it, you can find a few free versions of this tool, and they only require you to sign up. But you should know that these are not official ones, because the official Seedream one is hosted on some other Chinese website, I think, and I wasn't able to access it. I'm not sure how other people are accessing it, if not from services like FreePick that get all the models and give you API access. And I tried to use the Seedream for 4K because I know it's a lot better in keeping the source material well preserved in the next image. So it sees that I have really short hair and not bald, and it gave me a fine look in these images. And this one was the one I ended up using, and I think I could have used this one as well. I have a lot more purple glowing there. It's cool, and but I ended up using this one. Then there is an edit image feature in the free pick, which I have used to, let me show you. Okay, and this is the image, and you can just right here then let the free pick select the auto model that best works for you. But I try to use the visual one and add annotations by clicking on the image. This only uses Nanobanana or Seedream, and I click the annotation here and said remove this. Okay, what? Remove this. Then I created the generation, and I actually got this output here, and I'm pretty sure this is the one you saw before clicking on the video. And if you clicked on the video, then congrats to me, this system works, I guess. And I'm pretty sure you can do all of this in Nanobanana if only you had some more hair above your head, and or you were bald, like go go zero or go high, but short hair just wasn't having it in the Nanobanana. And that's okay. Then I tried upscaling, but upscaling just made me look like an old man, so I'm not gonna use that one. And I hope this was educational for you. I hope some of you may find this tutorial maybe, or demonstration basically, easy to understand and apply in your stuff, because I know some of the thumbnail generation models out there are charging like real steep prices for thumbnails. Like I wanted to see what they were doing. Like 20 thumbnails is $20. Then the next version have 50 thumbnails, and that is $40 or something like that. That's a lot of money for new creators, and I think a lot more people would be successful in YouTube at the beginning, of course, if they had some better thumbnails than absolute dog shit that I could create in Canva, because like my my Canva skills are not good. No one clicks on the videos, so I hope this kind of restyling my thumbnails will work better in the public's eye, and people click on the videos and actually watch them and watch me ramble about stuff. So if you're still here, thank you. I hope to see you again in the future. Bye.